Now, as an added bonus, they've also included these remedy rings. Now, this larger one, you can put it on your hand like this and go up and down with your finger or your hand, and it feels really good. Just like that. And they also have them for smaller ones for your finger too. So what you're going to do is you're going to slip it into your finger just like this, and then you roll it up and down. It feels really good. You can also roll it against your hand just like this, and it feels really good as well. Let me show you close up. So this is what the remedy rings look like, and you just put it onto your finger and you just roll it back and forth. Just like that. You can do it with one finger or with both of your fingers. And then you can even put it to your next finger and just do all your fingers like that. And it also has this larger ring, so you can put it onto your hand. Feels really good.